So this is the new noise that it's making, and I'm hoping someone can tell me what it is. And it's coming from right below there where the ignition is.